Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through a 2024 Sea Ray 400 SLX. We're going to start back here on the swim platform where we have a lot of different amenities. First off is our submersible swim platform. Our second one back here is your shower. So you do have a nice little sectioned off piece here. You can put your pole in and have a nice shower. You're going to have plenty of storage for all of your towable devices, your stand-up paddle boards, and all of your other gear on board. Plenty of sunning spaces back here. You can either sit and lay backwards or with the movable backrest, open up the boat to have two sections. You can have some people facing backwards, some people facing off the starboard side. This would be great for anybody that has kids and are jumping into the lake. You can sit here, watch them safely as they jump off the side of the boat. As you walk in, it has tons of space for entertaining and all of the amenities that you'll need on board to entertain on this boat. You have a rear sheer shade that will, with the press of a button, extend. It'll give you plenty of space inside that is covered, or retract it and open up your sunroof to have all the sun. In our entertainment station, you're going to have a sink. You're going to have two Kenyon electric grills with drip pans underneath. You'll have some wonderful outlets conveniently placed right next to it with controls to your grills and your table mount for a TV. Underneath, you'll have two Dometic fridges, and with all of this, you're going to need some trash cans. So Sea Ray has a sliding drawer with two of them. Move towards the helm of the boat. We are going to have two different seatings. We're going to have the two captain's chairs and your observer seat. This is a unique design because once you get to your destination, you can push it sideways to be a part of both entertainment and the driving station, or one more time, bring it all the way back so everyone in the back can be seated together. To the opposite side is your helm. So you're going to have twin screens, have different things up on each time. So we've got charts on this one and then the full system controls. I can change all of my lights from this panel. I can check all my levels. I can check overview on the boat to tell me my voltage, where my sunshade is, all of the amenities on board, and then have a second screen as well. You'll have a joystick on board which helps you dock and just maneuver in slow spaces. So if I were to get out of the dock, I could just press forward on the joystick, turn completely on a dime, and then go back without ever having to shift in and out of gears. I just use that joystick to manipulate the boat. So we move forward. We'll come back to this, but this is your cabin. As you walk forward, you're going to have a nice deep walk-through with padding, so you can lean up against the walls. And then you have access to your wonderful bow space. Everyone up here will have a handrail to hold on to. So while you're going across the lake and using the bow of the boat, you still will feel safe. Pop-up armrests. You have some storage underneath the seats. You have a spotlight. And on this boat, you will have the windlass anchor system. As we move back towards the cabin, this boat is going to be a little over 40 feet, so you have tons of space up top and down below. As we walk in, you have 3 steps to get down into your main salon here. Table that folds in half so I can get around. This front seating section will lower into a table, or raise to a table, lower for your filler cushions to make this a bed. And then up underneath the back, we have our full isinglass package set out there to keep it from getting wrinkled, but you will have another space down there for 2 more adults to sleep. And last but not least is your full head on board. So you have a nice vanity, a toilet, and this is a head with a shower. The shower nozzle will pop up and stow right up top. We would love to show you this boat in person, so give us a call today to set up your appointment.